So I realized that just like about 28 million other Ghanaians, sometimes I find it very hard to sleep. If not sometimes, a lot of times. And either it's because of how I prepare to sleep or how I actually sleep, or maybe spiritual encounterment. But I've taken some steps, and then I've realized that I changed my pillows, I changed my kinds of duvets and then sheets that I use. And then I started investing in a lot of ambient lighting to set the mood and then make things more is palpable the best word anyway, so that I can easily sleep well. Okay, and I think gradually it's working, but there's still more to do. The next bit that I realized is that I don't prepare to sleep mentally. It's more or less, okay, let me just press the phone and then when I sleep. But I mean, taking steps where I switch off mobile phones, I go on flight mode, set my alarms to prepare for the mornings and everything. But in this particular video, one thing that I would want to add is that I found, this is good. I found, I've been trying some humidifiers and then aromatherapy devices, and I realized that a lot of them are trash. But then this particular one that I found from Oraimo, and then I did an unboxing about it, and I think so far so good. It's doing very well, and I like the fact that it's cross, it's more or less a mixture of different things met together. And so in this particular video, I'm going to break down and then show you how to use it in simple steps. So without wasting my time, let's jump into it. Welcome back. So first and foremost, I like the fact that it's very smart. And then the buttons, it doesn't even have buttons. It's just a touch sensor part. Once you just touch it, depending on the option that you want, it just gets the job done. It has 3 modes for the humidifier: the low, the medium, and then the high. So if you want it maybe very mildly, that's an option, that's the low one. If you want it maybe moderate, that's the mid one. And then if you want it high, that is the maximum one. Then it has a standby mode whereby when it realizes it's out of water, it just automatically switches off, which is very brilliant if you ask me. So in case you forget about it and then leave to work, or you forget about it and fall asleep, it's still going to automatically do the job for you. Then when it comes to the timer has 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours, and 12 hours. So this thing can literally be on for as long as possible throughout the night. I don't think any of us sleeps up to 12 hours unless it's a weekend or a holiday, but it's able to last up to 12 hours and then get the job done. Also, if you set the timer, that means after that particular number of hours, it's going to automatically switch off. Basically, that's that. Nothing's very brilliant. Okay, very brilliant. The other thing that I love is how much water this thing can take. So the water tank can accommodate up to 4 liters of water, which is amazing because it can last a long while, and it can also take in a lot of water. Unlike other humidifiers that, I mean, I tried a lot of them, they were all trash, honestly speaking. And then I also got myself some scents, so scent cares. So these are just top 6 essential oil set, and then depending on my mood, I just know which one I want, and then I optimize the space. So I just drop some few drops into the water tank, and then I let the material do its job, and it gets the whole room very humid, which is very ideal for your breathing and your lungs. We all know that the air quality in Accra is shitty, and something like this, whenever I'm indoors, I think it gets the job done for me, and I love it basically. And so you can also get some for yourself. Use my promo code and then get some extra discount and then free delivery within Accra. And if I'm to judge this thing comparing it to the other ones that I've used, I'm going to give it a very good 8 out of 10 because it doubles as a humidifier and then aroma diffuser basically, and it's able to accommodate 4 liters. That's good. I mean, the only downside is that this particular one of all things doesn't have an app. I don't know why Oraimo, it doesn't have an app, it doesn't have a remote, so everything is just on the touch sensors. But I think aside that, it still can do the job. It's also very bulky, it's big, so you need to find out where exactly you want to place it and then place it there for the best either aesthetics or. That reminds me, it also has LED lighting, so depending on how long it goes and how long it's getting used, the light changes to suit. And so I think now I can easily sleep well, and I'm still testing it out. I'm still testing it out. So whatever developments that come out, I'm going to definitely let you know about it. And then any recommendations that come out of it too, I'm also going to let you know. So I think that's all about this particular video, where we are doing a full review on the Oraimo Smart Humidifier and aromatherapy device. And so that's going to be all for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, whether you have one, whether you're planning on getting one, whether you're able to sleep very well, and then how well you're able to sleep. I would recommend that to you because I'm still testing things out. And so without further ado, please like, share, and comment, subscribe, and then I'm going to catch you on the next one. Until then, adios.